Sandra or him ametiwa and so adwuma nyame Adom entertainment am Ghana for chemo me am the guy I was supposed to do because you know I'm gonna akwaba me say Ike and afi osmosis sound boot honom no hype near more amampoma big girls Tamasco this year me producer Rahel ne Thomas Welbeck with Yampedo Munina Crado. Young fans, some no, ain't just so. And son, and a real quick. One crammer, I'm using ex house help. Mary. She will be with me, because I would tea, will be in friends on now. We can't show. What it's today. We say what's now once I tell Monfre for Umbra. Me, no, Namid won't crown. Amo, Niantia Mederiala, Yom Sha, see. Maka, aka, severally. Oh, Fidiaka see Musere Yala. I is such a talent. And you see a done so. My campaign, my crab bread because I don't know as I was a force moon who's a real a talent, and as I say, no, the girl is too talented. Maka, na me says to be him says so be back what Grammys than I didn't brea. I bet I girl on Reala because she's herself, she's unique, and she's just too real. Nyanko for yeah. Omo American near me. Get on the pet and it's me and pure African. It's what they're trying to send me about say omo koye flyer bia. Omo the question e che I mean him say upcoming for no. And I saw more mbeti show na no ne ade no. Omo ne adwom question we see the flyer the Riala. And artists like Riala. E question e. Ye beba ho. Ye ka say oni so obi so boaboa no ho akọ Guinness Book of Record. Where you now Hilda Bass in a cover by because record no, I will honor dada. What I say, but I say, girl, you can call Kukaton, I will be up a circle. And I'm when him says he can't come home. Recognition, no, I very huge. I mean, the Guinness Book of Record, I may sure say, she can't come home, but you'll be to me, the channel. Yen you about Quani and any age, you fear, no, your sports. A nay, yen you will be on Kaya sports, catch a Guinness for so Kumrika. And I catch a Guinness for so javelin. Debbie, Kabayan so betonium 117 hours. Oh, yes, once I'm a bayan. Hey, oh, your sports. Okay, they let me can say congratulations in advance because they say Guinness for no accept to say by a challenge, you know. Anyway, yeah, can no. What say your best Ghana for say many draw more best support and I make us know you move if you have seen, you know. Me frɛ kobo me po bia cho se mre no so a mo meka me nua ba ho na yen support no 117 hours singing yen hwa de mra sisia
Guinness World Record breaking attempt. When I applied I was kind of a bit skeptical, but finally it's here and planning and plotting already underway. Your Christmas season is going to be very exciting because I am ready for this task and challenge. Please, when you say a prayer, say one for Ifwa Santua because this is not going to be easy. The current record holder for the longest sing-a-thon is 105 hours. And I intend to do 117, if possible, 120 hours. Yes, I just gave you the gist. So we're doing a sing-a-thon. Very soon the hashtag will be out, official communication will be out. And hey, it's this December. So add me to your calendar because I'm definitely going to make Ghana proud. This is for Ghana. This is for Ghana. And the sing-a-thon is strictly Ghanaian songs. Strictly Ghanaian songs. I told them that I'm doing this to project Ghanaian music and nothing else. Okay? So it's Ifwa Sing-a-thon 2023. Let's get this done.
Me huaba me ana mapa me huasem ne mu pe bia mo fanya me totonyom ne mai osmo bonsem ma no ye wunya nye ye kra no senia ekeka ko na waye on na ego award entin we die ohima na me fete se beto javelin but singer ton you who ama ye be support so style bi edi was it December you know I'm running so afraid in the Nkoja why all the very best. Me twaso na me ka say yakoye flyer bia. Ya de artist kese bi. Akwahye akire. Na wo hwe artist ya. Onye ni part 1. Abaya wono for international stage sebo show. Abaya wono penetimi to nyoma mrofo. Etimi sa azonto. What do you mean? Say utimi ya flyer. Edene kwahye akire and she wasn't happy. Entino menya reala wa homa no so real quick me enchense me mu de koy anse na de na twetwe nkomo se na be Ghana for ebeti ase reala trust honestly I am not happy with this poster circulating on social media. Place my image in the right position or I am out. Simple as that. Samini just that show no so and Samini repost here. Trust I am honestly not aware. Entino reala wa homa no so anopay me ene na ntwetwe nkomo de ekobae Oba hima me pacho me mwakwa Badwam TV so anopay. Hello.
Hello.
Lioness, raw. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me pacho bibi aboko.
Bibi aboko.
Jo. This whole thing, were you aware in the first place? It said show be say what that's all.
I had an idea that every 1st January there will be something happening at Giraffe Festival.
Okay.
Also known as, in fact, Royal Cozy Hills, also known as Giraffe Festival.
Okay.
But I had not confirmed. Nobody told us about who the artists were going to be. Oh. But we know definitely that Samini, if anything, Samini and then myself, okay. Headline because for the past year, Samini, he's been coming home and I'm here waiting, and we do the event. So, in a way, this whole region is aware that we are associated with Samini show, kind of. So even if there were going to be any changes, we would have known. Like Omoba Kachira. But before I realized, boom, flyer or social media circulating, and my management almost did you go to sign anything with, or are you aware of this? No, let me see, Daddy. And not only that, why is my picture put at the back like that?
Okay.
And for me, I just go straight to the point. I respect, Oyemi senior,
okay,
age-wise, and then first in the industry, all that.
Okay.
So for him, no, me, I did his back any day, any time.
Okay.
For me, Eugene, Fancy Gadam, let's all just go straight to the point. I cannot be at their back. I have said it. If this can make headlines in some way for some people, let it be like that. But I respect everybody. I respect Family Eugene. I respect Fancy Gadam. Position us all well so that we all feel respected. I'm not saying they should be at my back and the small boys. No.
Okay.
And yes, that's what I'm referring to. But I cannot be at the back. You are coming to my region as guest artists and to support. Let's ask ourselves, now I'm going to their region or their show to go take part. Then they'll put me in front and put them at the back like that. Will it be nice? Meanwhile, artistically, there was a way they could have arranged all of us so that we all feel that we all feel our work in there. That's all I'm saying. But I cannot be at the back like that. I know some people are commenting, saying blah blah blah. I don't care. This one there. I don't agree. No.
Oh, okay. It's problem ning artists, but the problem is with the event organizers. Yes.
Yeah, it's not with the artists.
Okay.
Fancy Gadam is great. Kwame Eugene is great. Our big brother is great. Wiala is great. So place us as great artists as we are, all. And yes, sir, Mami, this feeling like, is it because I'm a female musician? No matter what you do, say, they always want to put them ahead. No matter how successful, no matter how your achievement. Why is it this feeling that you think a female musician cannot take equally center stage or equally be positioned next by another male artist? What is in their brain when they were doing this poster? So in a way, it's kind of misogynistic or whatever they say it in English. So that's how I'm seeing it. So,
okay.
But I should use this feminist, but this picture is kind of, it can go into different directions.
Yeah. What can feminine and Kameba say? It seems the fight is looking like feminism beside because you feel because you're a woman, no, on person or one little crying to say. You are fighting for all women. Yes,
in a way, that's how it's looking like. because some of these things, like it has happened in the industry. Now, you know, female musicians, now you're complaining, but it looks like nobody's kind of listening. And it looks like some part of the industry, not all, some part of the industry, they just perceive that women are not capable of headlining or like taking center stage or something like that. That thing has to be listened. We are equally talented as our male counterparts. Wow. There's no male artist in this Ghana. With due respect to all male artists in this Ghana. Now, I'm not involving our senior men like the Ambulis and but at least currently, and with what is happening, vibing, there's no male artist in this Ghana that can perform where I cannot perform. I'm equally as good as all of them.
I like that.
And there's no two ways about that. People are saying my performance. So I won't let anybody put me in a corner somewhere. It won't happen.
That's nice. I like that. I like the fact that you are fighting for your rights because you are too talented. And in a way, and some of the event organizers or we say.
Let me try and speak as much free as I can. Make a say, you see, visual representation is very important. My visual artist at the same time, graphic designer, me too. But it's not really my area now because me were professional people as well. So you can't do everything on your own. You have to allow others to help. But the way we represent MIPA, whether visual or now writing, speaks a lot about what you are trying to convey when the message is going out. So posters, flyers, and all that. Would you share Shatawale shows? There be as a show. Even Shatawale even supporting Accra. Still, his image is because Shatta has made his name and has made his achievement.
Okay.
And if Shatta sure, you see that his picture will be bigger. And any other supporting, they kind of reduce it in a way. So it's just a sign of respect and then encouragement. So posters and graphic designers and flyer makers and all that, they have to be careful how they represent all of us. Okay. But at the end of the day, we don't start this unhealthy beef between us. But I'm not against the artist of the poster. Because Adom hasn't done anything to me. Kwame Eugene hasn't done anything to me. The same, it's just the organizers I'm referring to. So peace to everybody.
That's nice. Yeah, that's what clear no na what church and say. But yeah, that's so I'm ready to change. Is there any show coming up this December for Riala?
Yes, I'm doing my Yaga Tate show and I'll be performing in Wa. And if possible, when I finally confirm that I'll be at the Royal Cozy Hills, because I've not even confirmed. I've not signed any contract that is I've even performing there. So when I finally confirm, then that will take place. But this December, I am performing 30th December. I change it from 31st to 30th in Wa at the first and last garden. Yeah.
I mean, I do my 30th of December.
And I'll be in Accra as soon as possible to also perform at Alliance Transport and 233. God willing.
Maybe I shall back cry, but I will studio has say kakawai.
Meba.
Medasipi so near chain como. African Lioness raw real and your nature chain como and no pay in some go social and so no. And I watch it say it's got nothing to do with the artists, name no event organizers no. And your more issue. Well cleared into I hope so be at and 7 I say. Best I was CBM so near chain como. Was it 30th December no or show our it's I've said it severally. The girl is really talented. Yeah, can support him. Yeah, it was so. Real quick, let me see one crama, Mary. Well, because Chemis, my baby, you may fan film. Me, I must say, Papa, why a Jano, a cost of near maybe see. Because I saw be by your papa. Not the next thing, no. We near maybe say. Regardless of whatever happens, so feel say, or what's now, I'm Eugene fear hon, issue be your honor. Friend penny for walk me sure say penny be di wachi. Fakoto menim sa social media honom no. Maka say council of elders be any social ni so. Social media nya court. Ohima oh yeah too much. Oh yeah. I feel obi be kan asem ko to me friend say ba na me fa me sambo wa no so. The little I know ni say agency wo ho a omo place na ni made ni ade. Sometimes agency omo moje 500 cedis. No mama made for 300. Regardless of your pay, you agreed. Say me koye adwuma say, ye betua me ka say. So what's the beef here? What's the issue now? Come where they when or him obey steady. Because I'm using my brain will be bedroom. Obey any about so wild. Timoni na ho. Now they're making Coach from Catasta Sandy by me from someone so him o saba o sami amigine he ya te saba. It's being a sadian. Men a mummy din a video, 7 mana pounds abomano so. When in ho. Because papa yasa. People need help. And people interviewing her, I'm not interested me. There are a lot of talent in this country. I'm per Quenya, no, I'm per platform. They need a support. Who feels that 2 minutes now with the choir na there, no the obedient can ipa no shine. Yes, so near maso too much okrum ha say. Ade chibi enya celebrate for a social ne so. Ade chibi a celebrate for. Oko hair sniper why popular or why they no shaking it. Okay, we will di atem. What's that? Me sanitizing industry no because yeah catchy. Don't waste your time on that. That's my message to you. Oh yeah, no dodo. Chaso. Wati. Uswa. Relax yourself, please. I beg you. Me de say tia twaswam. And sembebre chegu. Na nim say on the 16th of December no 9 lessons and carols ebekoso. Adom TV. Ya wajo you too much. Bring a piano. But that's so small. But that's it. Abaya no mistake bo me din. Obi no ho nothing. Straight up. Debi aye de ma bro nya ya wo de 16th of December. This year no. Ye ma ne mpa ho ate. Take 30 Ghana pe. Mestre se febusuani nyina hia e wo National Theatre on the 16th of December. Yan hwe kuma wood stars ni bia beba show na se. Yen tete ho nche kakra mpa cho hwa de abra. Sisia se promo no e wo ho nti no nka Ghana fo hwe kakra. E wo obi wo na ne da edikan wo TV. Onim de ekoso. Obi ope promo code krampo de atoko ticket ni ade. Ti mestre se yen hwe ne hu digital ticket ne kwa how e betoro. Timpacho madara ma monsha ne so ye besisia. I ensure National Theatre on the 16th, 5 p.m. near Beer Gate, 7 Najumedino. Esha, yes, I am cry. Mijna kuma would honor my boy Branty Biabaso. Rasinene, Dr. Likey, was my bon sema guy, no. Jale, go for a bang affair, one more finger here. And most people are selfish. Shane that swimming for any to her. Because I see Messi Wine or introduce you, I see Messi Wine, but Rasinene. Dr. Liking yes, fame way through YouTube skate ya ye. Guy no, we pull your beer with him up. Osmosabo and Semano, we are too much. And I stand. You are a star. You are whoever you think you are, Dr. Liking. And yet I will cheat the ding. And nay, Wamana ye fe crado. So none would need him to Dubai or the Moko Canada or Moko Germany. Strike a year or a beast of no nation ya. Ni colleague bako. Ewa America ni HR Spider-Man no so wahe. Caleb feels ni boy okoye an interview bi ma yehu sa guy no ho kire no na ho na Rasnini as good as he is guy no wa komado to Rasnini we too good wakoma je mu ye han of fag striker Sagana for as nyina ya mekwa mi jama kasa mentimi anya hwe ama striker Rasnini akofa no ene ni twa na Rasnini start to say no meaning do tini ye one start fe say no e be ho aso de akra na tukwan ene odna kan group ni ho mu twa skirt was mo bon semanini o ya mane ye febebe ya obi aka na so na street anya bokai wo twimu anopa bia ni no fa ne se mojaduro enti no ya kwa hwa ni a wone no ebecha na wakọ support na ye fe nele me hwa ne we very emotional. This is so beautiful. And I know her talent. All he needed was help. Last name, the Darasi. Ghana for Darasi. Yes, we cramp a movie striking. Yes, we beside make casket. Nini, Namin Shawati. Namin Shaw. Namin Shaw. Make so. December bonds on your Rocky say away. Ye new January, February, MD na next year. Tomorrow, my acquaintance in the birthday was a necrophobic age your mawada. Esefata se ye be mo ma woda passion ko nansa na Mr. Easy so abosa akode ani mugis mo abaso pa se Ghanaian artist no de bia mka se mo muntimi nka omo ana ene wo praise sa akode wo chemu a o time wo ke anywhere no ye show bi na Nigerian artist no e disappoint. Listen again, Nigerian artist ni disappointing no ye sa akode ne R2Bs mugis ana e be je ne nkwa so be person be hwa ba me wa But for her back quick, na me birthday for no shout out kakra.
People who caught me, and that's where upcoming artists in my school then start being my friend so that I can book them, and obviously making money. And we lost, to be honest, we lost more money than we made throwing parties, but we still kept on doing it. We loved it. We just loved to have this project, see it together. And I didn't stop. I didn't stop at parties. I'm like, okay, now we're doing parties. We need to do an awards show. So I had the first sort of social awards of my university, Swag Entertainment. That's when I booked the Saturday, I booked Ahosepe, I booked One Day Cole.
Yeah. As a student then.
Yeah, as a student then. And I remember One Day Cole didn't show up he was in town, but he didn't appear at the show. And people thought I'd run away with their money, and I didn't know that he didn't receive his full money. And I remember begging Sako there. It was maybe $2,500 or less, begging him that please, even though I've not paid you complete, please just come on stage. Big shout out to Sako there. He came on stage. He saved me. He saved me by coming on stage. Ahosepe, that's why till tomorrow, Moogies it's like more than a friend. It's my brother. Moogies is like
Osmo and Sembo, Ego Masako de Obede. It's the way you probably do. And I am even else near Barrier. Can we answer? Obede is too good. Send Uncle for Kawasam. Wakuma Papa and Pacho to say, if I'm mammy. Young call a birthday for no echo. Now we did kind papa once we're trying to do span or Ghana has say about counseling near there. Even though many people don't agree with him, but we don't care. A day counselor Lutrot, a birthday counselor. Right, George. I mean, shall be brave. Or mount at Sentia or a womb. Or my shoe yansa shronko. Na cost one for council call for. Na memoir could drew. Na for cost one canocre. A chair Ghana for. Counselor Lutrot. Yama what a passion call. Oh, Mobombo, counselor. Happy birthday, counselor. We love you so much. I mean, sure. Now it's twice to Alicia. Big up yourself, I'll go my G, man. Welcome with Pedro. Eugenia Baby will make up department. Which him at the mammy, hair logistics, GH mammy me. We shall come. I'm the guy's queen. Pabom, Mary, be warned. Boza, my crowd.